Sa video na to, i-discuss natin ang ilang mga options kung paano natin ipoposisyon ang isang life insurance as part of our educational fund. So this is Sun Life Secure Income. Pwede tayo magbayad ng 5 years, 10 years, or 10 years. For the sake of discussion, I choose a 1 million face amount. At itong plan na ito ay nagbibigay ng doble ng face amount, kaya ang life insurance coverage ay 2 million pesos. So, ang binabayaran natin is yung face amount na 1 million, pero ang makukuha ng beneficiary in case or in time of death ng insured ay 2 million pesos. Kaya, eto na rin yung ating first benefit. Upon application pa lang, guaranteed na ang life insurance as long as na-disclose natin with all honesty yung mga kailangan nating sagutan doon sa insurance application. So, insured until age 100. Ang second benefit is the guaranteed payout. Ito yung pwede natin gamitin as educational fund. Sun Life Secure Income gives 6% of the face amount starting on the 6th year every year until age 100. Kaya kung titingnan natin yung detailed proposal, at age 18 ang insured kasi right now ang ating policy holder is yung mommy, then ang insured ay si baby na 0 age, kaya pagdating niya ng 18 years old, meron tayong pwedeng asahan na 1,029,595. Special consideration dito is, on the 6th year, kumita na ang kanyang plan ng 60,000. 6% of the face amount, 60,000. On the 7th year, kumita ulit ito ng 60,000. Since hindi winidraw ni Mami ang payout on the 6th year, hinayaan niya to sa company, nag-earn pa rin to ng interest. Kaya at age 18, ang possible na pera ni baby is 1,029,595. What if nung nag-college si baby, meron palang sapat na educational fund si mommy and daddy, kaya hindi na kailangan mag-withdraw dito sa Sun Secure Income. What will happen to the funds? So, patuloy pa rin na ibibigay yung 60,000 every year. At pag age ni baby ng 30 years old, ang possible money niya dito sa plan na ito ay 2,673,913. What if winidraw nila to nung nag-age 30 si baby? Dahil nga hindi nagamit sa college fund, nag-decide si Rice na magpapasal siya on age 30. So, ito yung ginamit nila sa kanilang wedding. So, nawala na yung 2.6 from the regular guaranteed payout. Ang maganda sa plan na to, at age 31, meron na naman papasok na 60,000. At age 32, another 60,000. Age 33, another 60,000. Kung hindi pa rin i-withdraw yung annual na 60,000, patuloy ito mag-earn ng interest until age 100. So that is the second benefit. Ano naman yung third benefit? Aside sa guaranteed payout, meron din tayong aasahan na guaranteed centenarian bonus. Ito naman ay 25% of the face amount na magsisimula sa age 18 ni Rice. So si Rice, pag age niya ng 80, meron siyang aasahan na 250,000 pesos from this plan. 1 million na face amount times 25,000, that is 250,000 pesos. At age 85, another 250,000 pesos. Age 90, another 250,000 pesos. And age 95, 250,000 pesos. Aside from that, meron pa tayong fourth benefit, non-guaranteed dividends. Non-guaranteed kasi nakadepende to kung magkano ang kinita ng company sa prior year. Pero ngayon, 2026, Ang current interest rate and dividend rate is 4.5%. Fifth benefit is the protection against the terminal illness, 60% of the face amount. So kung 1 million yung face amount, multiply by 60, merong magagamit si Rice kapag nangailangan due to terminal illness ng 600,000 pesos. Ang maganda pa sa plan na to, limited payment. Ibig sabihin, pwede ka magbayad ng 5 years, 10 years, or 15 years. After ng 5th paying period, wala nang iisipin. Kung 10 years naman yung napili mo, on the 11th year, wala ka nang babayaran. Hintayin mo na lang yung mga benefits na ma-withdraw mo. Then, on the 15th year, ganun din. So, choose ka lang which one works for you. Alin ang pasok sa iyong budget. Seventh benefit, pwede tayong magdagdag ng benefit, additional accidental death benefit para sa insured kay Rice, or waiver of premium para kay Mami na siya ang policy holder. Paano nagwo-work yung waiver of premium? Kung 10 years ang paying period, 5 years pa lang nakakabayad, kinuha na ni Lord si Mami, naging angel na siya, nakatingin siya kay Rice, wala nang magbabayad ng Sun Life Secure Income kasi si Sun Life na ang magbabayad sa natitirang premium. So, yung last 5 years, si Sun Life na magbabayad to make sure na active at enforce yung policy. So, yan yung ating first option for educational fund, Sun Life Secure Income. Our second option is called Sun Smarter Life Elite Peso. You can pay it 5 or 10 years. Same with Sun Life Secure Income, double ang life insurance coverage, and insured until age 100. Ang second benefit ng Sun Smarter Life Elite Peso is the regular guaranteed payout. Kung si Sun Secure Income, meron siyang 6% of the face amount, si Smarter Life Peso naman ay merong 8%. Kung si Sun Secure Income ay magsisimula on the 6th year at taon-taon makakatanggap si policy owner or si insured, si Smarter Life Elite Peso 10 naman ay magsisimula sa 6th year and every other year thereafter. So 6th year, 8th year, 10th year, 12th year, and so on. Kung titingnan natin yung detailed proposal, ang college fund ni Rice at age 18 is 740,620 provided hindi siya nag-withdraw ng regular payout from 6th year to 17th year. Then kung hindi na naman niya nagamit yung college fund, at age 30, meron siyang 1,860,940 na pwede niyang gamitin as wedding expenses or for another milestone. At this age, pwede na rin ilipat ni Mami ang ownership ng insurance mula sa kanya papunta kay Rice. Then the next payout will be at age 32, age 34, age 36 until age 100 na nagkakahalaga ng 80,000 per payout. Additional benefit is the non-guaranteed dividends. Same with Sun Secure Income. Depende kung magkano ang kinita ng company the prior year. Pero ngayon 2026, we have 4.5%. Same din ang kay Sun Secure Income. Meron siyang terminal illness benefit. Pero ang kanyang limited payment ay maglalaro lang between 5 years or 10 years. Then option din na magdagdag ng accidental death benefit, total disability benefit, and waiver of premium. Then the third option is called Sun Save and Protect. Ito naman, isipin mo naglalagay ka ng pera sa bangko. Ang pera mo sa bangko, pag nilagay mo doon, 20,000, 20,000 yung mawi-withdraw mo. Kasi kung mag-earn naman siya ng interest, hindi mo rin masyadong ramdam. Pero dito, kay Sun Save and Protect, pwede ka magbayad ng 5 or 10 years. Assume din natin, 1 million yung face amount. Life insurance coverage is 1 million, kaya yan ang benefit on day 1 pa lang ng application. Pero dito, ang i-insure natin, si Mami. Kasi siya yung nag-save at nagpo-protect ng income niya para ang magbe-benefit ay si Baby Rice. So, correction lang, ang insurance dito is not until age 100, kundi 20 years. Insurance niya ay 1 million pesos for 20 years. Ang second benefit is 100% of premium paid on the 20th year ay ibabalik. So, kung ang payment niya annually ay 50,000 for 10 years, that is 500,000. On the 20th year, buhay ang insured, ibabalik ng buo ang total na premium na ibinayad. Ano naman advantage nun? Nagbayad ka ng 10 years. On the 11th year, insured ka pa rin ng 1 million pesos until the 20th year. Ang maganda, na-outlive natin yung 20-year paying period, magagamit natin to pandagdag sa educational fund ni baby. Kung sakali man na within these 20 years, yung hinuhulog natin na 50,000 annually, ang kapalit nun na pwedeng makuha ni Daddy any rice is 1 million pesos. Another option for Sun Save and Protect is the Plus variant. Ito naman ay nagbibigay ng 140% of the premium paid on the 20th year. For 1 million coverage or face amount, ang annual premium niya for 5 years is 142,857. Kung i-compute mo siya, 142,857, payable in 5 years, so times 5, it will give you 714,285. Pero ang promise, ibabalik sa'yo 140%. So, 714,285 times 140%, that is 1 million. Yung ibinayad mo na 740,000, at the end of 20th year, kumita na siya ng 40%, kaya may matatanggap ka na 1 million. Again, we protect the income of Mami Alex para sigurado tayo na kapag kinailangan ni Rice, yung pera for the education, meron siyang makukuha. Then, the third benefit is protection against terminal illness. 60% of the face amount, so that is also 600,000 pesos. And the fourth benefit yon, limited pay. You can choose between 10 or 5 years. So, these are the 3 options I prepared. Kung meron kayong tanong, please feel free to message me and we can set another discussion. Thank you.